Notion Enterprise Marketing Workspace App. The pros, the cons. Notion Enterprise Marketing Workspace App promises to centralize marketing operations and boost productivity, but can it truly transform enterprise workflows? On the plus side, Notion combines project management, note-taking, and AI-powered content generation in one platform. Marketing teams can create campaigns, track tasks, and collaborate seamlessly across departments. AI features help draft copy, generate ideas, and automate repetitive tasks, saving time and increasing efficiency. Many enterprises report improved workflow visibility, faster decision-making, and better alignment across teams. However, there are drawbacks. The platform can be overwhelming for new users due to its flexibility and multiple features. AI-generated content is helpful, but still requires review for accuracy and brand consistency. Enterprise pricing is higher than standard plans, and fully leveraging its capabilities often requires training and onboarding. Most people get this wrong. They assume adopting Notion instantly improves productivity. The surprising truth is that value comes from structured implementation, disciplined workflows, and thoughtful use of AI tools. Without strategy, even powerful features can go underutilized. In conclusion, Notion Enterprise Marketing Workspace App is a versatile solution for enterprises seeking to unify marketing operations, collaboration, and AI-driven productivity. Its combination of project management, content generation, and knowledge management streamlines work, but success depends on careful adoption, team alignment, and strategic use. Used properly, Notion can significantly enhance efficiency, communication, and marketing output.